the step. You don't have to wait. You don't gotta change.
So I'm messing around in my sketchbook today, and I thought I would take you with me and share what I'm up to and what I'm thinking about. I am tired today. I have had a busy week, a lovely week. I've been teaching and running workshops, and what I thought I would do, I've got some notes here that I wrote for one of the workshops that I was running, and I thought I would just follow my own notes. Follow my own advice today. So in this workshop I said we need to delight in the act of drawing and creating and actually enjoy being in the moment, and don't project into the future in terms of what you think it should look like. I suggested that we had a gleeful disregard for getting it right, a gleeful disregard for the outcome, and I hope I'm going to model that today. I'm playing in my sketchbook. I'm going to cut up some old drawings. I'm going to collage them into my sketchbook. I'm going to add some, I don't know what, pen, pencil, paper, and I'm going to have a gleeful disregard for how it turns out. I want to enjoy using the materials, enjoy the tactile delight of art supplies, of cutting and sticking and creating something that doesn't have that weight of expectation, that doesn't have to be significant or right or good or any of those things. It's my own personal sketchbook. It can be whatever I want it to be. It can be a hot mess. And I don't have to show anyone. But I do appear to be making a video about it. So I'm hoping that I'm just going to enjoy being here with you, making with you, and I just want to play about in my sketchbook and have a nice time. Earlier in the year, I made a little promise to myself that I didn't need to buy new sketchbooks. I could use the sketchbooks I already owned that had some pages left at the back. And I've dug out this sketchbook. So I filled this sketchbook with cups when I was making my free class, which you can get if you sign up to my email. It's called Sketchbook Love, and it's all about mixed media and taking one subject matter and repeating it. And then this week, when I was running a workshop, I did a page where I just drew the same cup over and over and over again. So when I was thinking what I wanted to do today, I thought, oh, I know, I'll take this page that was just a warm-up page, that was a quick, speedy drawing page, and it's a page of cups. And it reminded me of this abandoned sketchbook full of cups. And I love drawing cups, and so I thought I would bring these two together and see what happens.
Take the step. You don't have to wait. You don't gotta change. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, you're doing fine.
So I've now roughly cut out all these little cups, and I'm just going to stick them in this sketchbook across several different pages, and then I really will have filled this sketchbook full of cups. And then I'll pick a page and I'll just add some colour and some drawing and see what happens. A real improvisational spirit, and my intention is really just to have some fun, have a nice time in my sketchbook. That's it. I'm going to use this old magazine as a gluing station so I don't get myself all sticky. So I've now stuck all those cut out cups in. Stuck one here on a page that already had things in, couple here, and then on some blank pages. I've got a whole bunch of art supplies here, drawing materials, coloured pencils, Inktense pencils, felt tip pens, and I think I'm going to do some old school colouring in. I'm going to carry that idea with me of gleeful disregard for how it looks. Just wanting to play with colour, enjoy using my materials, enjoy making marks on the page, and whatever happens, however it looks, I'm really not concerned. I just want to spend some time in my sketchbook. That's my only ambition, to spend some time in my sketchbook and to enjoy that time.
Take the step. You don't have to wait. Lose that breath. You don't gotta change. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, you're doing fine. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, it'll work in time. Don't trust that voice, just let it speak. You got a choice, just let it be. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, you're doing fine. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, it'll work in time. Stay on the road.
So there we go, a little bit of playing with shapes, colour, collage, reusing old drawings or scrappy drawings, cutting them up, using them to seed our sketchbook, adding some colour. I enjoyed the playing with colour and layering of coloured pencils and felt tip pens. A sketchbook is just a playground, isn't it? We can try things out, we can come back to pages, we can ignore things. So my parting words are to invite you to have a little bit of gleeful disregard for how your sketchbook page turns out. If I enjoyed the making, then what it looks like really doesn't matter, does it? So that is the philosophy and the energy that I'm hoping to bring to my art making this week. I thought I'd share that with you because it might be an energy that you want to borrow. So that brings us to the end of our time together. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for all your lovely comments and support. You're such a lovely corner of the internet and I'm very honoured that you watch my videos and write nice things about my videos. So thank you and I'll see you in a fortnight.